Here I have written a program for checking if a number is a prime number. But using this program I have pre-written, not writing while saying this to you. I have written this program in a particular way, and I am actually using classes for testing the prime number. And with the help of this program, I'll also explain you the concepts of abstraction and encapsulation. Right? So in this program, I am taking a number from the user, which will test whether the number is a prime number or not. So we have used a prime test class, and there is a constructor where this number is passed. And within this constructor, we have run a code for prime testing. I'll explain you that code. Say if by default we have set it, this p is equal to 1 means it is a prime number, right? So if it is 1, it will automatically be 1, and this loop will not run, and then it will set it to 1 itself. Then if this loop starts from 2, because 1 and 2 are prime numbers, and it goes up to half of the number. This number is, so half of the number is sufficient to test a prime number, because if up till half is tested, then we know that later half will follow the same rule. That's how mathematical testing is done. And if number is divisible by whatever number till that number half is there, then we say that divisibility means divided by this and remainder is 0. It is fully divisible, because a prime number is divisible by either itself or 1. So if it is divisible by any number after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then at that point where it becomes divisible, so I am setting this prime condition to be 0, where it is not a prime number. That means it has been successfully divided. So when it is divided, then it is not a prime number. So I'll break the loop there after setting the value as 0. And this p value is actually a bool thing here. Bool means boolean, which can be set to 1 or 0. A simple variable which can be set to 1 or 0, nothing else. So if it is not divisible, then I again set it to p is equal to 1. That means it is a prime number when it is not divisible by 1 and by itself. And the test of this condition, finally we are returning this value p as boolean is prime. This function we have written so that this local variable, a private variable of the class, can be returned. Just see here, this number has been passed to this constructor. This is a parameterized constructor, so we have to pass this number, and this pt is the name of the object. And with this pt is prime, we are actually trying to return that p value. So if it is 1, this condition is met, so number is prime, else it is not prime. So let us test it. Let us run it. Okay, I hope it runs well. Yes, it is running well. So 3 is not a prime. No, it's a prime number. I'm sorry, it's a prime number. But 4 should not be a prime. Let us test it again. 4 is not a prime. I remember a good prime number which I used to test it is 673 is a prime number. Go and check Wikipedia, you can see it. It is a prime number, or you can yourself calculate it. Maybe say 1024 has to be not a prime number because divisible by 2 easily. Let us check some other numbers also. 1023 is not a prime number. This also must be divisible. Okay. But now we'll understand the concepts of abstraction. What has happened here? This value p was encapsulated within this class, and I can't take it out without running this function. Also, this constructor is sort of encapsulated within that class, and this constructor is automatically run when I create that object. There is no other way I can run it. This function isPrime is encapsulated within this class, and to run isPrime I have to use this object name. If I do not use this object name, this will surely give me an error. See, this error has come because I have not given the object name. So it is hidden behind this class object name. So the purpose of hiding this is, if I have multiple objects, then I can use this function for that particular object only. So that hiding is important. And when I hide this way, I call it encapsulation. And the purpose of hiding is actually abstraction. That means isPrime is a sort of abstracted activity. What it is doing inside, I least bother here. While using it in main, I only know that this will tell me whether the number is prime or not. I am not bothered the details of it. So that is what abstraction is. Abstraction means I don't go into details, and encapsulation is I hide things behind a particular envelope. That is hiding. So we shall run this again, and it is running well when it is hidden inside. 3 is a prime number. Okay, so the purpose of abstraction and encapsulation are important, and we are all the time using it while using classes and functions. Okay.
Please like, share and subscribe.